Good morning, everyone. This is my YouTube channel. My name is Priyanka. We have started class 8 mathematics through NCERT book. This is the NCERT textbook. We completed some topics. We start chapter 1. The name of chapter is, we can see here, rational number, chapter 1st. We completed some topics, properties, basic introduction of rational number, and some rules for role of 0. What is the role of 0? What is the role of 1? The next is negative of a number. We know that in the integer negative number, okay, we know that in an integer what is a negative number. Negative number, you can write here 1 2 3 dot dot dot, and also in -1 -2 -3 dot dot dot. This part are this part of integer are called negative number, and these are positive number, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, the question is said negative of a number. This is a negative number. Suppose that I said you, what's the negative number of 1? I said you, what is negative of number 1? I ask a question to you. What is negative of number 1? What is the negative number of 1? We can say -1 is the negative number of 1. If you add both number both numbers, we get 0. Okay, you can say that this -1 is negative. Also, additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay, if you I give you I give you question 1 11. I said you, what is the additive inverse of 1? You said -1. I gave you question -1. I said you, what is the additive inverse of -1? You change the sign, +1. Because I give -11, then you said +11. When you add this number, we get 0. Any number, suppose that the question is given negative, the answer is become positive. Suppose question is given +4, answer is -4. Question is given -5, the answer is +5. This is the question. This is the additive inverse of any number. The rules is simple. The question is given positive, the answer is negative. The question is negative, the answer is positive. When you add these numbers, we get 0. Also, add this number, we get 0. Basic rule of additive inverse of any number. This is also used for rational number, like that. Suppose that rational number is a by b. A is the additive inverse of minus a by b, and minus a by b is the additive inverse of a by b. Plus become negative, negative become plus. This is the basic rule for additive inverse. We can see here given some questions. The next topic is reciprocal. By which rational number will be multiplied to get the product 1? What is the reciprocal? Okay, the next topic is reciprocal. I give you a question like 10 by 7, and I ask you which rational number would you multiply this rational number to become 1. It means obvious, you multiply 7 by 10, then you become 1. Similar, I ask you a question minus 6 by 7. We must be multiplied by 7 by minus 3 so as you get the product 1, like that. Okay, can we say what is the reciprocal of 0? Suppose that we have 1, 0. Okay, you write here 1, you multiply 1 by 0 equal to 1. No, this is not correct. 0 has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. Zero has no reciprocal. Okay, because it is not correct rule to multiply. It is not happen. You never got like that 0 and 0. It is not rule. So this is not happen. We can say 0 has no reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? Suppose I give c by d. C by d is called the reciprocal or inverse. C by d is called reciprocal. Or you can say multiple inverse or multiplicative inverse. C by D is called reciprocal multiplicative inverse of D by C. D by C. When you product, suppose this is the number, and you take the reciprocal of this number, you give the product 1. Like this, you take the reciprocal of this number, you get product 1. This is the multiplicative inverse. You can see that some questions here. Additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19? You give the question is given negative, you convert is positive. What is the rule of check? Suppose this is the question, additive inverse. minus 7, 19 is the question. Minus 7 is the additive inverse of plus 7 by 9. It is right. You can check this rule. Minus 7 by 19 plus 7 by 19. If you get 0, it is correct. This is the rule of checking of this additive inverse. You can say here, verify that minus x is the same x4. This is the question x 13 by 50. What is the additive inverse of plus 13 by 17 is minus 17 minus 13 by 17. You add this number, which becomes 0. The next day we will start exercise 1.1 and solve all these questions one by one. This part is very important. 11 and 10 and 11. The next we learn how to represent rational number on number line. Take care. Bye bye.